Max took August to Costco so I could get a little bit of packing done, and I fell asleep. I need you to hold my hand, walk me through it. I first need to get a Baja Blast to my brain to help me do it because, oh my, look how big that bumblebee is. That's why, for that reason exactly. And it's Treat Tuesday. Let's go. The windows are down because Max doesn't have AC in his car. May I please have a large Baja Blast, extra blast? I'm telling myself that I'm only gonna keep the shoes that can fit in this box. I'll die before I get rid of this guy. We actually did it. We finished before August went down for his nap. All I have left is to get my camera stuff.